Hello guys, gals, and those in between. Today on Bachelor on a Budget, we are making the ultimate Beyond Burger. This is going to be with the works. So we're gonna have fried mushrooms on there, caramelized onions, sliced avocado. This is gonna be delicious, and I have a special way of preparing the Beyond Burgers that make them even more delicious. So stay tuned, watch to the end. We got a special treat for you and for me. I'm doing this video in collaboration with Tim of Kitchen Craft. He's got lots of great recipes, and we are doing this Beyond Burger as a cook-off. So go check out his video after this and leave a comment down below. We want to know which burger you think is the best. So first things first, I've already went ahead and prepped my onion. I did one large onion. You can do more here. This will definitely shrink down when you're caramelizing it. And if you're serving more guests, I'm only making 2 patties here, so double the recipe if you want. Also going to prep the mushrooms. Caramelized onions take a bit of time, so you can always set those on low beforehand, but for sake of not changing camera angles too much, I am going to just prep my mushrooms first. Just taking the ends of the mushrooms off here. You could even make this without the caramelized onion or the avocado, and it would still be delicious. These Beyond Burgers and the way I cook them is amazing. Are amazing. I have a feeling the induction burner is not going to work with this pan. Looks like it's working. Okay, sweet. Induction burners heat up super fast. I have a great gas stove, but for the sake of demonstration, it's a lot easier to present like this than like this. Caramelized onions take a while, so you can totally prep the onions first and then get everything else ready while the onions are cooking. So I got about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. In go our sliced onions. So I don't want to be here all night, so I am going to switch the pans here and just move my onions to my back stove. Let's get a bit more oil in our pan and let's get our mushrooms going. These are cremini mushrooms, cremini, but you can also use like white button mushrooms as well, or big portobellos. Give a little check on our onions, looking nice. These mushrooms are looking delicious, but to spruce these up, I'm gonna put a bit of nutritional yeast. Give it some nice, more umami, vegan crack. Okay, I can set this aside, and if you're lazy, just fry the onions and mushroom together, or you're just prepped for time. Time is important. So we have our Beyond Burgers, and what we're gonna do is take these big, juicy, thick patties and cut them in half. What? But I love it when I go to A&W, Canadians, like big franchise, fast food franchise, and get these, and they're a lot thinner. I love it. And you can take 2 of these patties and make 3. I'm gonna try making 4. I actually haven't gone this thin, but the reason I do this is because I love, with all the fat that's in it, it just caramelizes everything. And so that's why I'm doing it this way. So you literally roll it in a ball and then just go flat with it. And if you don't know, the main ingredient in these are pea protein. I am so excited about plant-based meat because, as you may know, animal agriculture is a real problem. We are warming up our planet, and it is gonna have dire consequences. So I think products like these are the future, and the future is now. Oh, and these are not much healthier than a normal burger. They're definitely got the fat content, but yeah, I don't think they are as likely to give you cancer. Now, hopefully that stays together. Like I said, usually I take 2 and turn it into 3, but we're trying this way. Looks like they'll work. Let's get these patties on. Don't fall apart on me. We're gonna cook these a couple minutes on each side. Maybe a few minutes. While that's cooking, you can get your bun ready. Okay, flipping time. Don't be burnt. Hey. Maybe I could use the better nonstick. Now, a little nutritional yeast goes a long ways in these. It seems to work with the fat and cause like this great caramelization. Make sure you scrape the pan out good because all these little bits that are falling off of my burger are delicious. And that is done. Promise you, that's gonna be unreal tasting. Almost forgot, let's lightly toast our buns. Stupid battery, stupid battery, stupid battery, stupid battery. Got some salad that I'm whipping up too. Some power greens with some arugula my mom gave me, some cucumber, and a pre-made sesame dress. Slicing up a hothouse pepper. Pepper, did I say pepper? Is this even hothouse? What am I saying? Big ass steak tomatoes. You can use whatever tomatoes you want. Or peppers. Got a big thing of Dijon mustard. Some vegan mayo, of course. Classic cat soup. Start with our burger patties. And ketchup. I forget how traditional burgers are stacked. I could look it up, but it doesn't matter, does it? Let's get our tomatoes on there. One tomato or two? One tomato or two? Let's get some of our mushrooms on there. This is a masterpiece. I could put cashew cheese on this, but where the hell am I gonna put it? I forgot the avocado, so we're gonna forget the cheese. We're gonna go with avocado. Hey, if you're not already, follow me on Bachelor Budget at Instagram. Say hi. Scatterbrain, scatterbrain, scatterbrain. Dun 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 dun. Don't fall over. And that is a burger. Let's give this a cut. Now this is one hell of a delicious looking burger, at least in my opinion. Focus. That right there is amazing. This thing is bursting with flavor. I mean, obviously it has a ton of great stuff. If you've never tried the Beyond Burger just on its own, I recommend that too. But with everything, this is an award winner. Well, I'm gonna go enjoy the rest of this Thank you for watching. I suggest you go and watch Tim's video from Kitchen Craft. He is also doing an amazing Beyond Burger. I expect him to deliver. And I also have a bunch more recipes that you can check out after. So, thanks for watching. Bye for now.